welcome from the labs of Aravali mountain ranges. I am going to teach you social science in 9th class. Till 8th class, you have studied social science as one book. But in 9th class, you are going to study it as 4 books or 4 streams. So let me introduce your books once. These are the 4 books which are given to you. This book is for history, and this book is for political science, this book is for economics, and this book is for geography. And I am going to teach one chapter from geography today to you. Chapter 1, India, Size and Location. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, which is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Then which countries are larger than India? Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. The total length of the coastline of our country is 7,516.6 km, which includes the coastline of both Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. The total length of the land boundary is about 15,200 km. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, and Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. 4 geographical directions are there for our country, in which Himalaya lies in the northern directions, Indian Ocean lies in the southern directions, Bay of Bengal in the eastern direction, and Arabian Sea in the western directions. India shared its ancient culture through the passes or ways in the Himalayan mountains. The foreign travelers like Fahian and Huansang came to India through these mountain passes. From India, ideas of Upanishads, Ramayana, stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and decimal system could reach many parts of the world. Commodities like spices, muslin, this was a particular type of cloth, were taken from India to different countries. In return, we got the Greek sculpture and dome-shaped architectural style from West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. It connects the West Asian countries to the East Asian countries. Not only that, it connects African and European continents to the East Asian countries through the Indian Ocean. So the central location of the Indian Ocean as the head of the India is considered of great significance.